subject pronouns in English. A quick guide with examples. A subject pronoun is a word we use instead of a name or noun when it's the subject of the sentence. It helps us keep things simple and avoid repeating the same words. Which sentence sounds better to you? My house is big and my house is new. Or, my house is big and it is new. I think we can all agree that sentence B sounds better. It's not repetitive and it flows. Sentence B replaces the noun my house with the subject pronoun it to avoid repetition. Here's a list of all the subject pronouns. First person singular is I. Second person singular is you. Third person singular is he, she, or it. First person plural is we. Second person plural is you all. And third person plural is they. Let's see some examples in action. I love junk food and fizzy drinks. You must unblock the toilet now. He is hot. She forgot her keys again. It is on the top shelf. We always play football after school. You must be careful with that spell. They are such a messy family. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.